Alright guys, my Procharged Foxbody going bye-bye. She is sold. Another sad day. First it was the custom 2004 Crown Vic, man. It's just we're ready to get busy. Another sad day, guys. I'm on my phone, so it's kind of hard for me to record it right, but another sad day. But way more to come, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. This is not the end of your boy. I'm not selling stuff because I need to. I'm selling stuff because I want to, and I'm about to better myself. Just watch with what I tell y'all, please. Please have faith in me, man. Thank y'all, two-time gang. I know I haven't responded in a while to a lot of y'all stuff, a lot of y'all comments. Man, I've just been super busy. I'm trying to have it so I don't have to work and I can come out here and I can have fun. I can actually enjoy life. And that's what these investments are for. These cars that I have, these cars that are being sold. I will not be selling that AMG right there. No way, no hope. No way, Jose. So, anyway, yeah, man, that's all I got for today. Thank y'all for stopping by once again, man. Two-time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace.